So now let's see how we can work around with sponge tool inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with sponge tool, I'm going to go around over here onto the left hand side and then go for sponge right here. So if I were to go around and then increase out the size right here and change around the hardness, then you can see that I have an option to saturate or desaturate. If I were to go for saturate, then if I were to draw around, then you can see that I can add in color right here, just like this. So the flow right now is 100% right here. You can also decrease out the floor and get less saturation right here. So you can just go around and draw around and get more saturation as you draw around in specific areas, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you can also desaturate, so you can go around and then click and drag around, and what happens is that the colors right here there gets removed. You can go for 100% and it becomes 100% black and white, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can simply go around and then remove out color by using this sponge tool right here, just like this. So you can just draw around the image right here, just like this, and make a lot of part, like let's say for example a bit more a black and white. You can also go around and get back the colors right here, just like this right here, and then desaturate right here, just like this, if it is too much right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the DOS and burn tool to saturate and desaturate elements inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.